In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create UML diagram in Lucidchart. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Begin by navigating to the diagramming website. Open your web browser and type in the address for Lucidchart. Once the website loads, take a moment to observe the layout and the intuitive design that makes it easy to create diagrams with built-in intelligence. The homepage displays various options for different types of diagrams and charts so that you can quickly find what you need. After the homepage loads, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the option labelled Log In and click on it. This action will prompt you to enter your username and password if you are a returning user, or offer options for signing in using a third-party account if you are new to the platform. Logging in will give you full access to all the tools and features available for creating and editing your diagram. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be taken to the main dashboard, commonly referred to as the home. This homepage gives you an overview of your projects and recent activity. It also presents you with opportunities to explore new document options and templates available on the platform. Allow yourself a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout, since it makes navigation across your project straightforward and efficient. From the homepage, direct your attention to the Documents section. Look for an option that clearly indicates your documents or past projects, and click on it. This section provides you with a repository of all the diagrams and charts that you have previously created, as well as options to start new ones. The interface is designed to make it easy to manage your work and quickly find the document you want to edit or expand upon. After clicking on Documents, a list of your files will appear. Choose one of the documents that is already created and click on the Open option. This action loads your selected document into the editing interface where you can work on your diagram. This step is crucial because it transitions you from browsing your projects to actively editing or creating a new diagram. With the document open, your next step is to focus on shapes and diagram elements. Locate the Shapes option on the interface, which is typically positioned on the sidebar. Clicking on Shapes reveals a library of various diagram components and icons that you can drag into your workspace. This feature is essential for customizing your UML diagram to accurately reflect the relationships and interactions within your system. After opening the Shapes library, a search bar is available for you to find specific elements. Enter the term UML in the search field to quickly filter the available shapes to those relevant for unified modeling language diagrams. This targeted search saves time by displaying only the diagram elements you need. Once you have located the appropriate UML shapes from the search results, click the button that says Use Selected Shapes. This final step adds the chosen UML diagram elements to your canvas, allowing you to begin arranging them in a meaningful way. With these components in place, you are now ready to build out your UML diagram by dragging, dropping and connecting shapes to represent the different parts of your system accurately. Following these steps will ensure that your UML diagram is created efficiently using the intelligent diagramming platform. Enjoy the process of designing and iterating on your diagram as you communicate complex system structures visually and effectively.